We have given fractional equation. First, let's check our denominators. We have n squared plus 6n plus 9, and we have 3 plus n. So first, what I will do, I will move this fraction to the right side. So we have negative, so it will be positive. And what else? We have n squared plus 6n plus 9. So we will use here formula the square of binomial. We know that a plus b to second power, this is equal a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. In our example, a is equal n and b is equal 3. So let's do from the beginning. 4 we will left on the left side. Like I said, this whole expression is negative, so I will move to the right side. And when I move, this negative sign now will be positive. But first we will copy 5 plus n over, we have 3 plus n, so first I will put variable n plus 3. Like I said, negative, so it will be now positive, and we have 3n squared minus 5n. Numerator we copy, and denominator, like I said, we will use this formula. So we have n plus 3 to second power in the denominator. So now to add these two algebraic fractions, we need the same denominator. We have n plus 3 and n plus 3, so we have to choose n plus 3 with the highest power is 2. So the lowest common denominator will be n plus 3 to second power. 4 we have to copy. Like I said, n plus 3 will be our denominator. So in the first fraction we have only n plus 3, so I need to multiply times n plus 3 to get n plus 3 to second power. Whatever I did with the denominator, I have to do the same with the numerator. So now we will have 5 plus n times n plus 3 in the numerator. So we have to multiply every expression in the first parenthesis by every expression in the second parenthesis. So 5 times n is 5n, 5 times 3 is 15, n times n is n squared, n times 3 is 3n. And we have plus, the second denominator is the same, so we don't have to do anything, we have to just rewrite. And now the same denominators, so we will copy the denominator and we have to add numerators. Left side we will rewrite. So we have n plus 3 to second power, and now we will combine the like terms and we will start from the highest power, so this is n squared, 5n, 3n, so it will be 8n, and we have plus 15, and we have plus 3n squared and minus 5n. We will copy left side, and because we have fraction on the right side, so I will rewrite 4 to fraction. I have to write only 4 over 1. So now we have fraction. 4 over 1 is still 4. I didn't change anything on the left side, and this is equal. We will copy the numerator, and in numerator we will combine again the like terms, n squared and 3n squared, so it will be 4n squared, and we have 8n minus 5n, so this is plus 3n, and we have plus 15. Next we have proportion. So what we will do, we will multiply numerator times whole denominator, and denominator times that numerator. So we have 4 times n plus 3 to second power is equal 1 times this whole expression. So we don't have to write 1, because when we multiply times 1 it doesn't change anything, so we have still 4n squared plus 3n plus 15. So now on the left side we will copy 4, and now n plus 3 to second power we will use again this formula. So this is equal, in parentheses we will have n squared plus 6n plus 9. This is equal. Right side we have to rewrite. And next we have to multiply every expression in parentheses by 4. So 4 times n squared is 4n squared, 4 times 6n is 24, and 4 times 9 is 36. This is equal 4n squared plus 3n plus 15. Next, I will move our expressions with n to the left side. So we have 4n squared plus 24n positive, so now will be negative 4n squared, positive, so will be negative 3n. This is equal 15. We will rewrite, and positive 36 to the right side, so will be negative 36. Now we see that we have 4n squared and negative 4n squared, so we can reduce. And we have 24n minus 3n is 21n. This is equal 15 minus 36 is negative 21. So now we will divide both sides by 21 to have only one n. So we have 21 and 21 we can reduce, and we have that n is equal 21 divided by 21 is 1, and we have negative over positive, so this is negative 1. We found n. Now we have to check if n equals negative 1 is correct solution. How we do this? We have to come back to original equation, and now we have to substitute every n in this equation by negative 1. So let's check. We have to copy our original equation. So we have 4 minus, we will substitute n's by negative 1, so we have 3 times negative 1 to second power minus 5 times negative 1, negative number we will write in parentheses, so we have negative 1 to second power plus 6 times negative 1 plus 9, so this is equal 5 plus negative 1 over 3 plus negative 1. We have to check if left side is equal to the right side. So 4 we will rewrite, and we have negative sign. In the numerator, first we have to take to the second power negative 1, so will be 1. 3 times 1 is 3. Negative times negative give me positive. 5 times 1 is 5. Negative 1 to second power is 1, and next 6 times negative 1 is negative 6. So it will be 1 plus negative 6, so this is equal negative 5 plus 9, so this is 4, and we have to check if this is equal. 5 minus 1, so will be 4, 3 minus 1, so this is equal 2. On the left side we have 4 and minus 3 plus 5 is 8 over 4. This should be equal. 4 divided by 2 is 2. So we have 4 minus 8 divided by 4 is 2. Should be equal to 4 minus 2 is 2. 2 is equal to left side is equal to the right side. What it means? That n equals negative 1 is solution for our fractional equation.